was about to cut up this tomato to eat it when long-awaited inspiration to paint an oil paint try struck me, and so I sat down to paint the tomato. The tomato turned out to be an excellent live tomato model, and it didn't move or take any breaks, and I didn't think that painting was coming out very good at all at the time of the painting. Now it's been an hour, and I guess it looks slightly better, surprisingly better, I would say. So color match was not really happening as usual, and as a lazy oil painting artist, I didn't want to squeeze out any new paints on the palette anyway, so this is what I had, left over from my last painting, and this shows the laborious pace of the painting, and that was the finished painting, where I said, well, it must be done because I can't think of anything else to do with it, and voila, paint the tomato from the live tomato model.